Ladies and gentlemen, Manny Pacquiao presents Mobile Ball here at Oval Plaza, General Santos City. In partnership with San Miguel Beer, in coordination with Mayor Manny Pacquiao. All professional boxing bouts are sanctioned by the Chairman Bugari. Chief of Boxing and Other Contact Sports, Ms. Jackie Cacho Rodrigo. Ringside physicians, Dr. Clemente Carlos III, Dr. Arthur Carpentero. Timekeepers, Rosendo Garcia, Brian Margallo. The fighter fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 133.5 pounds. He has a record of no win, one loss. Fighting out of Fairtex Fight Team, BFO's Parañaque City. Ladies and gentlemen, Noel Pangantao. 6 pounds. He has a record of no win, no loss, one draw. Fighting out of Wildcard Boxing Team, General Santos City. Ladies and gentlemen, BACOSA. This will be 4 rounds of professional boxing.
All right, gentlemen, this is 4 rounds of boxing. I want you to take yourselves and come back to myself. Do we take the idea and give you what you say? Stop here.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time, 32 seconds in the first round, as referee Pixel stops the fight, winner by technical knockout, BACOSA.
Ako nga pala si Kenneth Dover, Philippine Youth Champion sa lumalaban sa Bantamweight Division. Shoutout nga pala sa channel ni Manoy 0.2. Like, share, subscribe.